If you're already subscribed to my channel, then you'll know over the past year or so I've been creating and teaching my own visual magic tricks. One of the most popular videos that I've posted was this ultra visual TicTacs thru box. 18 months later I'm back with a new and improved version which is easier to build and even more streamlined as a gimmick. What's up everyone, welcome back to another Tutorial Tuesday. Let's dive straight into the build. So first of all, you can see that I'm really flexing the layers of this card. That's going to help break down the bonding of the glue between all the layers of that playing card. Next, I'm going to tap it on the table, on the corner, and that's going to allow the card to fray into three sections: the back, the middle, which is the glue layer, and the front. I'm going to place that back layer down on the table and peel the two top layers off it, and I'm going to run my fingers in close as I do it. The key detail here though is to be pretty tough as you start to peel those layers of card. Like, don't be afraid of it, and if you just do it with a bit of confidence, and in like a C shape as you peel, it'll come off really easily. It's quite surprising once you get it down. Now the next thing you'll see is that, and this is really the key detail that makes this so much more improved than the original version, is that I actually took the printable file from the link down below, which I scanned in myself at home, and I had it made into stickers and got them sent over to me. I have like 20 of these stickers left from Blackpool, so if anybody wants them, you can pick them up from Lloyd.tv. But essentially, these stickers make it so much easier because now I can just peel the stickers, drop the disc magnets on the back, and the disc magnets are also linked down below too. You can get them from Amazon. They're just like tiny disc magnets, as small as you can get them. I place those on the back, and then I place the back layer that we earlier peeled off onto the back of that gimmick. So once all that's like pressed together, what I do then is just use a scalpel and be careful and trim away any of the excess around the edges. And now what you can see that I'm doing is that I drop that on top of a regular card, right, and line it up, and then replace more magnets on the front side of that normal card, and then just take a bit of time to straighten everything up. And then after that, I take some double stick tape, place it on the magnets on the front so that they're stuck in place. Now when you drop that card back on, it'll look perfect on the back, that gimmick. And I place a regular card onto the front of that other double stick tape card. And that makes a pretty straightforward gaff that has magnets in between that won't split. It looks like a regular card that you can drop the gimmick onto the back. But hold on, we're not quite finished yet. There's a couple more things that need to happen. First of all, you need to put some creases into the gaff sticker itself, because otherwise it's gonna not bend like at a perfectly crisp angle, which doesn't make the illusion work as well. It doesn't look real. If you just try and put creases in, they won't work perfectly. What I've done is actually score a light line into the sticker on the two edges where it's going to fold. Not all the way through, but just a light score in, and that will help it bend perfectly. And then just because I'm only human, I actually forgot to trim away the white edges. So before the gimmick is finished, I actually go back over and you can see I'm trimming away the excess white edges. So we're going to get that done, and then we'll be ready to start working out how the trick actually comes together. But if you followed everything correctly, then you'll have this gimmick right here. But we're not done quite yet. There's just one more thing you need to do in order to make this gimmick work. Before I teach you that, if you've enjoyed this video and you want to see way more tutorials like this, then do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. But for now, the last thing you need to do is learn how to hold the gimmick specifically to make it work properly when you perform it. So it's super simple, okay? You just have this card, you can keep it in your box or in your pocket spare. Whenever you want to perform it, the setup is to take this, slide it off, fold it on the creases, and I hold it in this top corner right here. But now I can show this card, I can bring out the TicTacs, and all I'm going to do is just, from an angle, just sort of throw it down and let it hit on top of the card itself. You just want to be careful, you don't want a shadow cast this way, so you want to point it towards the light wherever you can. One other quick fun idea is that you can create a great audible illusion by holding a regular box of TicTacs underneath the card, and then performing the effect. And as you shake this fake gimmick, you shake the TicTacs underneath the box, and it sounds like the TicTac box is full. Now, when you perform the effect, it looks like the TicTacs teleport or materialize through a playing card, just like that.